Feels like everyone is trying to get the lowest cost zirconia crown out there possible. Production for us and efficiency is finding each one of those bottlenecks and opening it up. You're only gonna be able to put through as much as your tightest constraint, right? I started here, I would come here as a kid and kind of annoy my dad and do whatever around the laboratory. And as I got older, I think it was 15 is when I started actually working in the laboratory. And I started out doing plaster traps, which is the worst of the worst jobs, the smelliest of the smelliest jobs. And then CAD CAM started coming in and I really gravitated towards that. Feels like everyone is trying to get the lowest cost zirconia crown out there possible. I feel that there's more value right now in meeting that immediate demand, right? We're in an Amazon world. Everything gets delivered in 2 days or less through Amazon. If you see it and it's gonna be there like a week and a half from now, you're like, well, somebody else is selling it faster. And even if you pay a couple extra bucks, it's here on Tuesday and not next Thursday, right? So I want to be fast. I want it back in the doctor's office so it can be put into the patient's mouth. If I can get that crown from my door to their door in 5 days or less, it gives the dentist opportunity to get that patient billed sooner. Production is finding each one of those bottlenecks and opening it up. So that way we can have that fire hose not constrained down to a garden hose at any point. You're only gonna be able to put through as much as your tightest constraint, right? It shouldn't cause any thought for us to go through it. It should just come out the way we want it to, through design, through the milling, and through sintering, because our systems and our operating procedures are set so that it can't go any other way. In a digital world, it's very easy to speed up that treadmill and get things out the door fast. But now, something comes in digitally, I can have that logistically in the mill, ready for sintering in 2 to 3 hours without really breaking a sweat. Expectations is something that we've always had to manage, right? You have to be in constant communication with everyone. Be that easy point of contact. All I'm doing is pointing them in the right direction, because every time we bring in a new piece of technology, every time we bring in a new system, a software, a process, it's like EviSmart, there is a learning curve that happens to that. Once you get past that learning curve, sometimes you forget how hard it was to get through that. You have to remember that's where your clients are. You have to just keep in communication and document everything. If I have a conversation with a doctor and I agree to certain things about this case and never go into our system and follow the way our protocol is going to go, it's not going to turn out that way. And it's going to look bad on me, and it should look bad on me because I was the one that failed the system. The system didn't fail me. Get digital as soon as possible. Our digital remakes are a fraction of our PVS and our impression remakes. The speed that it comes back to you is way faster. The costs are down. I mean, there is so many benefits to being digital that you're really hurting your practice by not jumping on that train right now.